Hi there, grade 8 learners. This is my first lesson on YouTube for grade 8, and I hope that I'll do a lot of lessons on past papers. So let's see how the first lesson goes. I want to teach you guys how to collect this easy dated marks. Ne? So I'm going to try and move slow so that you can understand everything that we're going to do. So looking at question 3, uh, how do we get that 3 marks? So when you look at this has to do with what we call substitution. So they tell you the variable value. All you have to do is to substitute on the given equation. You understand? So this one, they say if x is minus 3 and y is 4, find the value of this, meaning that on this equation, where there's x, we put minus 3, where there's y, we put 4. So I need you to try and stop, pause the lesson, try to do this on your own. Let's see if you manage to get this right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say this will be x, which is minus 3. Inside the bracket, this will be 3, which is multiplied by x, which is minus 3. Then what do we have next? So this will be plus 4 into the y, which is 4. Okay, then we close the bracket. So now I'm going to give you the tips that you need to pay attention on your brackets. Look at this. The x, it's multiplying everything inside that blue bracket. And when we work this, I think the examiner will want to see the full step. So let's give the examiner the full step. Whoever who's going to mark your script, let's make sure that they understand your work. So this will be minus 3 into, let's say, 3 times negative 3. That gives us minus 9. Then 4 times 4, that's 16. So this will be plus 16. Close the bracket. Then I still have minus 3 outside. Then minus 9 plus 16. That gives us what? This gives us positive 7. So I'm going to say this is positive 7 inside the bracket. Then 7 times 3. But remember, the 3 is negative. This will give us negative 21. So this is your final answer. That's how you collect the 3 marks. Please, when you get on the steps, just don't punch the calculator. Show the examiner that you know the work. Let's move on this 3.2.1. On this one, they want you to simplify. So when you simplify, you have to check first. Can I take out the common factor? Yes. Look at the top part. We need to find the number that can divide all this coefficient, and that number is 2. So this tells you that you can take out the 2 as a common factor, and look at this. All the terms, they have the variable x. All of them, they have the variable x. So this tells you that you can first take out the common factor of 2x. I hope you understand how we got that one. So the common factor is going to be on top. The common factor is 2x. Then I need you to take that 2x. You see the common factor? Take first thing first, let's take the 6x to the power 3. Let's divide that by 2x. Tell me what you get. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. Right. Then x goes into x. Okay, so if I have x to the power 3 over x, the base that is same, what do you do to the exponent? You subtract them. So this will be 3 minus 1. This gives us x squared. So whatever answer that you get, it's what you need to write inside the bracket. So this is 3x squared. Okay, then on this place, for the 2x squared, you're going to take that 2x squared, you divide that by 2x. The 2 cancels, you left with, remember, x squared over x. We are dividing the same base. What should we do to the exponent? We subtract the exponent. So this will be 2 minus 1, which is just 1, and this is just equal to x. Okay, I hope you guys understand that part. Unless if you guys want us to do this like step by step. Let's say if I have 2x squared over 2x, the 2 cancels, then this is x, the 1 on top, we subtract the exponent of the 1 on bottom, which is just x to the power 1. So whatever that you get, we add it inside that bracket. Okay, I hope you guys understand that part. Let's work with the 4x now. So I have 4x. You take that 4x, you divide by your common factor. What's your common factor? 2x. So we're going to take the 4x, we divide that 4x by 2x. So now you can see that 2 goes into 4 2 times, and then the x cancels. So this is just 2. Then we're going to add 2. Then this is everything there is divided by what? Everything is divided by that 2x. So the 2x will cancel. What is the final answer? The final answer is just 3x squared plus x plus 2. Then this is simplified. You can just leave your answer like that. I hope you are happy with that one. Let's look at this one. To simplify this first thing first, I have 2x into 3x plus 1, then minus x into x plus 3. So multiply out the bracket. So we're going to take the 2x, we multiply every term inside that bracket by the 2x. We do the same this side. We take the minus x, we multiply everything inside that bracket by the minus x. I hope you understand what I'm doing here. So now I'm going to say 2x times 3x. That gives us 6x squared. Then 2x times 1, that gives us positive 2x. Then minus x times minus x. Oh, it's minus x times x, that gives us minus x squared. Then minus x times 3, that gives us minus 3x. Then from there, you're going to group the like terms. You look at the degrees. This one is x squared, this one is x squared. So this one is 1x squared. So we're going to group this 6x squared with the 1 x squared. Then we group the 2x with the minus 3x. So this will be plus 2x. Then this will be minus 3x. So look at this. This is 5x squared. Therefore, 2x minus 3x, that's minus x. Then that's the final answer for that one. So I think you see how easy it is to collect that big marks. So please make sure that in order for you to master this type of questions, revise the exponent. So the reason I want you to revise the exponent, look at this. We applied the exponent here because it's like saying 2 times 3, that's 6. Then x times x, so it's x to the power 1 multiplied by x to the power 1. So the base are the same. What do we do to the exponent? We add them. That's how we got the x squared. And then we also used the exponents here to know what we get if we take out the 2x as a common factor. And I hope you guys enjoyed my first lesson on the grade 8 one. So if you really liked the lesson, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you can move with me until we get to grade 12. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you guys on the next lesson.